Hey everyone, welcome aboard. It's time to practice the past simple. Read the examples here. They watch television every evening. This is the present simple. They watched television yesterday evening. This is the past simple. Watch, present, watched is the past. The past simple. I watched, we watched, you watched, they watched. He, she, it watched. One verb for all persons. The past, watched. Now, check it out. The past simple is often ed for regular verbs. For example, the past of work is worked. The past of clean, cleaned. Start, started. Dance, danced. Stay, stayed. Need, needed. Now, check it out. I clean my teeth every morning. This morning I cleaned my teeth. You see, every morning, habit, routine, present simple, clean. This morning, past, cleaned, past simple. Terry worked in a bank from 1996 to 2003. Worked, the past. Yesterday it rained all morning. It stopped at lunchtime. Rained is the past of rain. Stopped is the past of stop. Yesterday, it's in the past. We enjoyed the party last night. We danced a lot and talked to a lot of people. The party finished at midnight. Again, it's last night, so the verbs are in the past simple. Enjoyed, danced, talked, and finished. Now here's how to spell the verbs in the past. When a verb ends in consonant plus y, as in try, we drop the y and we add ied. When the verb ends in consonant vowel consonant, we double the final consonant, as in stop. We double the letter p, stopped. Study, again, consonant plus y. Studied in the past, it's ied. We drop the y. And the same with copy, consonant plus y. We switch the letter y for ied, copied. This is the past. And plan, consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the letter n. We double the final consonant. Bland. This is when verbs are regular. Regular verbs, that's when you add ed to the ending of the verb. Now, if the verb is irregular, as in these verbs, the past simple is not ed. It's not ed. Check it out. The past of begin is began. Break, the past is broke. Bring, brought. Build, built. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. The past of come is came. Do, did. Drink, drank. Eat, ate. The past of fall is fell. Find, found. Fly, flew. Forget, forgot. Get, got. Give, gave. The past of go is went. Have, had. Hear, heard. Know, knew. Leave, left. Lose, lost. Make, made. The past of meet is met. The past of pay is paid. Put, put. Read, read. The spelling is the same, but it's pronounced differently. It's read in the past. Ring, rang. say said, see, saw, sell, sold, sit, sat. The past of sleep is slept. The past of speak, spoke, stand, stood, take, took, tell, told, think, thought. The past of win is won, and the past of write is wrote. You can pause the video and check the list. These are some of the most important verbs you can read and practice. Here we have some more examples in sentences. I usually get up early, but this morning I got up at 9 o'clock. As you can see, usually get up, present simple, because it's routine, it's frequency, get up. But this morning, it's in the past. I use the past simple, I got up. We did a lot of work yesterday. Yesterday is in the past, so we use the passive do, did. Caroline went to the cinema 3 times last week. Last week is in the past. We use the past of go, went. James came into the room, took off his coat, and sat down. Again, the past of come is came. The past of take is took. And the past of sit is sat. Well, now that you know the difference between regular verbs and irregular verbs and when to use the past simple when it's affirmative, let's practice. Complete the sentences. Use a verb from the box. Here now you can pause the video, try and do it yourself, and then play the video again and check if your answers were right. Here are the verbs: clean, die, enjoy, finish, happen, open, rain, start, stay, and want. First, number 1, I cleaned my teeth 3 times yesterday. Number 2, it was hot in the room, so I opened, in the past, opened, ending in ed. I opened the window. Number 3, the film was very long. It started at 7:15. The past of start is started, ending in ed. And finished, ending in ed, at 10 o'clock. Number 4, when I was a child, I wanted, the past of want. I wanted to be a doctor. Number 5, the accident happened. The past of happen, it ends in ed, happened, last Sunday afternoon. It's a nice day today, but yesterday the verb is rain. In the past, it ends in ed, rained. It rained all day. Number 7, we enjoyed our holiday last year. The past of enjoy is enjoyed. It ends in ed. We stayed at a very nice place. Stayed, the past of stay, it ends in ed. It's not ied, it's yed, because stay ends in vowel plus y, not consonant plus y. So we don't drop the letter y, we keep it. We just add ed. Number 8, Anna's grandfather died. We add the letter d, because the verb die ends in e. We just add the letter d, died, when he was 90 years old. That's exercise 1. Now let's see exercise number 2. Write the past simple of these verbs. Again, you can pause the video and try and do it yourself. Then you play it again and check your answers. The past of get is got. The past of see is saw. The past of play is played. It ends in ed. The past of pay is paid. P-A-I-D. Visit, visited. It ends in ed. Buy, the past of buy is bought. It's irregular. The past of go is also irregular. It's went. Think, the past is thought. Copy, copied. It ends in IED. The passive know is knew. The passive put is also put. And the passive speak is spoke. It's irregular. Now here in number 3, you should read about Lisa's journey to Madrid and put the verbs in the correct form. The verbs are on the right. We should use them to complete the story. So last Tuesday, Lisa flew, which is the past of fly, from London to Madrid. She, the past of get, is got. She got up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and here we use the verb have. The past is had a cup of coffee. At 6:30, she, now the past of leave, is left. She left home, and the past of drive is drove to the airport. When she got there, got is the past of get. She parked. The past of park is parked. It's regular. We add ed. She parked the car. Walked. The past of walk is walked. It ends in ed. Walked to the airport building. And the past of check is checked. It ends in ed. Checked in. Then she had breakfast at a cafe and waited for her flight. The past of wait is waited. It ends in ed. The plane departed. The past of depart, it ends in ed. It's regular. The plane departed on time and arrived in Madrid 2 hours later. The past of arrive is arrived. You add the letter D. Finally, she took a taxi. The past of take is took. It's irregular. Took a taxi from the airport to her hotel in the center of Madrid. And finally, number 4. Write sentences about the past. Number 1, James always goes to work by car. Yesterday, he went to work by car. The past of go is went. Number 2, Rachel often loses her keys. The past of lose is lost. She lost her keys last week. 3, Kate meets her friends every evening. She, the past of meet is met. She met her friends yesterday evening. 4, I usually buy 2 newspapers every day. Yesterday, the past of buy is bought. I bought 2 newspapers. 5, we often go to the cinema at weekends. Last Sunday, the past of go is went. We went to the cinema. 6, I eat an orange every day. Yesterday, the past of eat is ate. I ate an orange. 7, Tom always has a shower in the morning. This morning, the past of have is had. He had a shower. And number 8, our friends often come to see us. They came, the past of come, came to see us last Friday. Number 5, the last one is write sentences about what you did yesterday. This is your homework. You can leave it in the comments if you want, and I will help you out with your answers. That's all for now. Don't forget to keep practicing, and also like the video and subscribe for more. That's it. Bye.